My goodness, it's so nice. So nice, guys. I cannot stop saying that. And if you want to know how we put all of these together, you need to keep on watching up to the end so that you know how we put these together, guys. In the meantime, let's get started. My name is Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. How are you all today? I hope you're all having a great time. I'm fine too. Thank you all so much for coming back to Fatim Ali's Kitchen. I appreciate you all. So today in Fatim Ali's Kitchen, we've got you this lovely beef mince recipe that we are going to make for you guys nice and quickly with all of these ingredients here, and we don't want to take too long for doing this. Okay, so guys, let's jump into it. We are going to start with our potatoes first. By the way, these potatoes have been peeled and soaked in water so that to keep them that color and they don't go black. And we're just going to slice them. Right, so that's done, and then we are going to put the potatoes in there. That's a lot of potatoes, guys, but trust me, this recipe is worth doing all these potatoes. We're gonna put some of our rosemary in there. This is a fresh rosemary that we're going to add in our potatoes. And we're going to put some dry parsley on as well, some paprika, some salt, some pepper. Finally, we are going to add some oil. Quite a good amount of oil goes on those potatoes. And then we are going to give it all a mix and put it in the oven, baked it for half an hour. On the gas mat, 180 degrees Celsius. Make sure everything is mixed and let the seasoning goes in all of it. So guys, moving on, we are going to season our beef. So we're gonna add 1 Maggi Cube there, the leftover black pepper, the leftover salt. They all look like a teaspoon, guys, if you want to know the measurements. This is a Western cooking, by the way. It doesn't require lots of chilies or spice, but if you want to add a bit more, you're welcome to do it. And I'm also going to add my leftover rosemary in. It's a fresh rosemary. Also going to add the garlic in. So I'll mix all of these together, and then I'll be setting it aside for 10 to 15 minutes for the seasoning to get into it while I carry on prepping the other ingredients. Right, so now we're going to dice our onions. Guys, pan nicely hot. We are going to add 3/4 cup of oil, and we are going to fry our onions. Okay, so now we are going to add our minced beef in, and then we're going to give all of it a mix. So we shall be cooking our minced beef for 10 to 15 minutes or until it is thoroughly done. Right, so now we are going to cut our tomatoes, and we want nice, lovely, ripe tomatoes for this recipe. Okay, nice and big and ripe. And and then we cut them chunky as well. Okay, so this mince is done. It's done cooking. Okay, as you can see, it's all done cooking. Now we are going to turn the gas off, and guys, the potatoes are done as well. So we are going to go on and add our tomatoes on, and we are going to go on and add our minced beef in. Now we are going to grate our cheese, and it's a cheddar. Our cheese goes right on the top. Guys, this recipe is so good and so quick, very easy to make, especially this winter. You need some hot foods and quick easy recipes. Now that is going to go in the oven and bake for 5 to 7 minutes. All right, okay guys, this minced beef and potatoes and tomatoes are so nice. It looks so good. Look at how the cheese has melted on top of this recipe. My goodness. I'm gonna leave it up there for everything to kind of settle in and relax a little bit. Guys, I insist, yeah? I insist. I'm gonna have to have a piece right now. Let me put it there and take that potato and that tomato. I need everything in. And then I'm gonna get my fork and knife ready and give this recipe a try. Alright, let's go. Really nice. This is it, the end result of our minced beef and potatoes making this winter. And it's so quick, easy, beautiful, very nice. And if you're new to this channel, look around. When you look around, subscribe. When you subscribe, you hit the notification bell right over here so that you don't miss out on any content. When we post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Also, if you are our returning subscriber, thank you so much for doing that. We appreciate you a lot. And yeah, that's all that we've got for you today. Come and join us and let's enjoy this beautiful meal. Until we come on here again soon, love you all and goodbye.